Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Teenager Who Cooks. So right now we are amidst the coronavirus pandemic, and well, obviously people are running out of food, and so we've resorted to these canned foods, right? So before we just all started staying at home, we went out and bought a bunch of canned tuna. The other day, my chemistry teacher gave me the idea of making tuna casserole, and it seems like a very, very, very tasty food. So today I'm going to show you what foods you can make during the coronavirus pandemic with limited ingredients like this tuna right here. Alright, so for the ingredients, obviously in tuna casserole you need high quality chicken of the sea canned tuna. These are two 6-ounce cans, so we're going to be making two 6-ounce cans of tuna. We have some celery. This was like 3 stalks of celery. We've got some peas. We have this is like 20 ounces of cream of chicken soup. Here we have like a cup of milk, 12 ounces of egg noodles, egg pasta, whatever you want to call it. I didn't actually have egg pasta, so I made fresh egg pasta yesterday, and it just requires eggs and flours. And we have some cheese. Alright, so this recipe is super easy. There's literally no cooking involved. You just slap everything in the pan and then bake it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I have my noodles here, and we have some boiling water with a generous amount of sea salt and olive oil. I'm gonna plop my noodles on in at high heat, and I'm gonna cook them for like 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure you stir them so that your noodles do not stick to each other. Alright, while our noodles are cooking, I'm going to add in milk and our cream of chicken soup. So first add in the soup. I also made this yesterday with chicken broth, flour, and milk. Three ingredient chicken soup. And now I'll add in the milk. Our goal is to stir these two until completely combined. Then we're going to add in the peas, the celery, again we'll mix until it's all incorporated. So spread evenly throughout the mixture. And then our noodles have come out of the stove. And so now we're gonna fold in the tuna. And we're going to add in our noodles. Now we're just going to carefully fold it. It's pretty combined now. As the last step, I'm just gonna add in the cheese. Get all the cheese in. Mix all the cheese until combined. And now we are going to season with salt and pepper. And then one final mix, and then it will go into our pan. We're going to add our casserole into this large pan. Make sure it's all flattened. Now we are ready to bake. Alright, I'm gonna add in the casserole now. So we're gonna cook it for 40 minutes at 375 degrees. Oh. Pop it in the oven there. And now we just wait. Alright, our tuna casserole is done. Take it out of the oven. It has just started browning on top. So you get a tiny bit of that great burnt texture. And it's all bubbly. It's gonna be so creamy and delicious, and you can smell the tuna flavor. Alright, I'm gonna get it out on the plate and try some of it now. I'm gonna serve our tuna casserole with a nice side of salad. Okay, so here we go. Get in there. A nice slice of tuna casserole with our noodles, tuna, celery, and peas. Make sure you try to get those edge parts too, right? Those edge parts are the most crispy, most tasty, just like in lasagna. Now I'm gonna plate it. My side of salad. And there, my friends, is a super duper easy dinner that you could make during the coronavirus pandemic, because it takes such a limited amount of required ingredients. So if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Stay safe from coronavirus, everyone.